This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity Podcast and the Becker Business Podcast. These are 16 stories that were found today, and thank you for listening. First, the markets rose yesterday, and they look to open and rise a little bit today. Though a lot depends on NVIDIA and what happens with NVIDIA's earnings, which will be reported later today after the close. Second, European Union tariffs are dropping. The EU said that it will look to fast track getting rid of tariffs on industrial goods by the end of this week. We'll see how that goes. Third, the markets are very focused on earnings from NVIDIA. These will come out today after the markets close. We'll see how that goes. Fourth, we have a virtual business event that includes 3 sessions on private equity, startups, as well as AI. That's on September 25th. To register for that, there's a registration link online or text Scott Becker, 773-766-5322. Fifth, EchoStar Corporation jumped 70% yesterday as AT&T agreed to buy $23 billion in wireless license from EchoStar. It's a lot of money and a big move, for AT&T too. Sixth, Eli Lilly also jumped more than 5% on great results for its weight loss pill. So we'll see how that goes. That's instead of doing the shots that they weight loss pill, and people are excited about that. Seventh, Lucid Motors continues to get crushed. It's down 45% year to date. Rivian is flat year to date. Great article in Motley Fool. See Rivian versus Lucid, which EV stock is winning in 2025. Eighth, Six Flags got crushed again, and the stock is down nearly 50% year to date. A big article on that also in the Wall Street Journal. Ninth, RH, Restoration Hardware, sunk again yesterday. It dropped more than 4%, and it's now down 44% year to date. 10th, we're excited to record at the McGuire Woods Go Conference, Healthcare Growth and Operations Conference. That's in Charlotte, September 16th and 17th. We'll be recording there on the 17th, the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast, the Becker's Healthcare Podcast, and can't wait to see that. 11th, RH and Wayfair each sell off on Trump's furniture tariffs. That's fascinating as well. 12th, a great quote from author James Clear. He says, at some point, you have to learn to let go. There's an endless list of obligations, expectations, desires, and ambitions, and worries and fears will always be ready to insert themselves. At some point, you have to let them go. There's never going to be enough. 13th, my favorite tweet I saw yesterday was this. Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift got engaged. The best tweet I saw said, it's going to be strange to see the Swift name on the back of a Chiefs jersey, poking fun a little bit at Travis Kelce. 14th, from Blake Burge on Twitter, underrated life advice: be easy to deal with, be kind when others can't, reliable under pressure, be someone who lightens the load for folks around them, make life easier for others. 15th, we're very excited to match donations for National Medical Fellowships. We'll match $5,000 with their donations to NMF. You can reach me at 773-766-5322, and we'll tell you how to make the donations. 16th, I don't care that much that Donald Trump gave RFK sort of his position in exchange for RFK dropping out of the election. I do care that RFK is in office still. At the end of the day, I do think he's a bit of an imbecile and so forth. I love smarter people running healthcare in our country. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business Podcast and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you very much.